Good morning, class. Monday, May 11th. As I bring the math instruction to you today, the new information building on last week's instruction is to introduce the quarter. Okay, we've learned about dimes, nickels, and pennies and what they are worth. Okay, and so in front of you on the screen is the quarter. Now this is the new 2020 quarter. You'll see George Washington is on the front. The United States Mint has been running an America the Beautiful quarters program, and so you see different national parks and other national sites on the backs, and so you'll see the back, you'll see those bats that are hanging upside down, and that's a part of the American Samoa National Park. The important thing to know with the quarter is that it is worth 25 cents. Okay, out of the 4 coins that we are learning about, okay, the penny, nickel, dime, and now quarter, this is the biggest quarter in physical size. All right, looking at it, it is the biggest, and also it is worth the most. Now there are other coins that we will not touch on in first grade that are worth more, but of those 4, okay, penny, nickel, dime, quarter, it is worth the most. Okay, and so what you're going to do basically today is identify coins, any of those 4, okay, and I'll show you here. So you're going to identify the coins. Obviously, here's the back of a quarter, what we would know to be kind of like a normal quarter with the eagle on the back. So you're going to identify coins, and then you're going to use any of the 3 smaller coins, penny, nickel, dime, to get up to the value of a quarter, which is 25 cents. Okay, so like I said, we're introducing this, but nothing else really changes. In fact, there will not be a video posted for tomorrow, for Tuesday, because basically, again, you're just going to identify and use these 4 coins in different ways. All right, so recognize the 4, okay, commit them to memory, and good luck on today, Monday's assignment, and tomorrow, Tuesday's, and I will see you for instruction on Wednesday.